Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I will change by dy over dx. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Y squared will put on the left, dx will put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over y. The integration of e to the power of 2x, we have e to the power of 2x over number 2, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. And now we need to find the value of c. This one we have number 1. This one we have negative number 1. So I will put 3 over 2 go to the left. And this one we have negative number 5 over 2. And now I will put this one gone here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.